Hello, I'm Hasta with WTI, and I love eating healthy snacks. So that's why this is my forever partner. This is the Peter Pan creamy peanut butter, and I love adding this to any snack that I'm gonna have. It can either be crackers, apples, bananas, even just a little spoon of this can be my boost of energy during the day. I think this creamy peanut butter from Peter Pan is just perfect because it goes with any snack that you want to eat, either right before the gym or in the middle of the day. This one is not too sweet, so I think it's perfect because you still feel like you're eating something healthy. I usually eat my apples with just a little bit of this peanut butter. It can also be on top of my crackers if I want them to be a little sweeter and creamy. And I really feel like gives me an energy boost whenever I'm working and I don't have time to make another snack. I just take a little bit of this peanut butter with anything in the fridge and I'm good to go. See how versatile is this creamy peanut butter from Peter Pan? I've been using it for a long time. I don't even remember when I first got one of these, and it's really good, you guys. It's not too sweet. So if you are looking to find something that will make your snacks healthy and delicious at the same time, this peanut butter will do. And yeah, we love it here in this house. But that's just my point of view.